Oh my god! I didn't see you there. It's me, Mariah, the elusive chanteuse. Welcome back. I hope you're all doing well, because I'm doing just fine in my Malibu mansion. So today, you guessed it, we're doing it yet again. We're cooking for the 10,000th time. I feel like I have nothing better to bring into this equation than a fork and a spoon, so oh my god, no, I just eat my feelings. That's the real problem here. I decided that I was going to do something unoriginal and very repetitive, and all of you are probably gonna complain because we're gonna be making spaghetti and meatballs! You guessed it, bitch. We're making spaghetti and meatballs. I promise and swear that I eat other things than just pasta. If you saw my last video, you know how big that bag of meatballs in my freezer is, and you know that they need to be eaten, so that's what we're doing. Oh my gosh, would you look at that? The oven is ready. These bad boys into the oven. The water's boiling. Oh no. Okay, we have our noodles. I'm just kidding. Okay, so the water is definitely boiling.
Or you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you...
So now we just bring this beauty back up to a boil and we wait. I actually haven't talked about this at all, but I am actually doing very bad in my kitchenware. So what you guys don't know is I only have one pot, one saucepan, and one frying pan. That's it. My saucepan is actually being occupied with day-old mac and cheese, and I'm not cleaning it out. So we're gonna be using the pot that I'm making the noodles in also for the sauce. So we're just gonna add the sauce in at the end when we mix everything together, and it's gonna be bad and bougie, and all of you are gonna wish that you could be eating it too. I actually genuinely wonder when I'm gonna make something different. At this point, it's kind of depressing that all I've shown in the kitchen to you is my pasta skills, which are still subpar, so. The joys of being 20 and not knowing how to cook. Yes, boil for me. Get spiced. Get spicy. Wow, ketchup is a spicy food. Did you like that? Do you think it would be acceptable to do a cooking video ASMR style? Bertolli, organic, olive oil, basil, and garlic sauce. Got it at Costco. It came in like a pack of 6. So it's pretty fun and fresh and cute and dope and funky. I've actually used a bottle of that already, and it's not bad. It's actually really good. It's because of the olive oil that it's pretty liquidy. Like, it's not as thick as the usual spaghetti sauce that I use, but it's pretty good. I'm standing directly, it just follows me. There's no point. Try something new, bitch. Like, dig deep into that lifestyle. I don't know. I have Louis with me, him boy. I finally brought my baby boy home. I didn't think that he'd come home for a little bit longer, but here he is. He's home. And he is very not interested in being in my arms. I don't know, I just thought I'd share that. Very significant things, important things are happening in my life right now. Can we just talk about the queen, Miss Miley, right now? Like, I'm sorry, like, where did you come from, girl? Like, where have you been? You know, to get us all looking at her, to get all of our attention put on her, for her to turn around and come back and like be completely woke. That just makes me really happy, and I'm really happy for her, and I love her to death, and I'm so excited for her new music that's coming out whenever it does. I don't know. Okay, now that the noodles are draining, I'm just gonna open up this sauce. Ah, bitch. I just splashed it like everywhere. Get the sauce everywhere, because that's just the type of person you are and you don't give a shit. You know, get everything combined. Yes. All of you right now can imagine, guess, and picture exactly what this is gonna taste like, because I didn't do anything extra to it. It's just sauce, meat, and noodles. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me banter and do absolutely nothing interesting for like 20 minutes. But yeah, I'll see you later. It's been me, Mariah, the elusive chanteuse, and I will see you in my next video.